Yes, chef.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's recipe, we are going to make a mushroom soup. So for a mushroom soup, all you need to do is prepare all ingredients. So let's start with the onions. So we have to chop the onions finely. So we need like about 30 grams of onions. We also need Bouquet Garni. So just take one leaf of the leeks. So one bay leaf, parsley stem, a sprig of a fresh thyme. So this fresh thyme gives a much flavor for our soup. And like 6 pieces of peppercorns. So you just roll it up. Just roll. So until all those ingredients are inside. And just take one of your toothpick at home and put like this. So we have our bouquet garni. Okay, so leave this aside. So now we can cut our leeks. So we need like 20 grams of our leeks. It's about like half of this size. Yes. So next we're gonna cut our celery. So we also need like 20 grams of celery. Just remove this part because it's very hard to chew this part. Just cut it off. So cut it same way as we cut the leeks. And now we can cut our mushroom. So we need this about 120 grams of our mushroom. So use the white button mushroom. We finished chopping our onion, celery, leeks, and button mushrooms. So we also need 1 tablespoon of flour, salt and pepper to taste, 20 grams of butter, and 25 ml of cream. So for all the ingredients that you need, just see the description below. So to start cooking our soup, so you need to put your pan on a medium heat. So put your 20 grams of butter. Put the onions. Next is your leeks. Together with the celery. So cook your leeks and celery in about 2 minutes only. And now you can put your mushroom. So just cook your mushroom in about 3 minutes. So put 1 tablespoon of flour. And now you can put the 400 ml of white stocks. So right after you put the stocks, you have to put your Bouquet Garni inside as well. And bring it to boil. So while your soup is boiling, you can see this white stuff from the surface. You have to skim it. So we don't want that when we blend the soup. So let the soup simmer in about 15 minutes. So now we can start blending our soup. So we will just remove the Bouquet Garni that we put inside. We don't need that. So you can also use your blender at home, whatever blender available that you have, or you can just use this manual blender. So the next step we will do is we have to strain the blended mushroom. Put it in the separate pot. So now we have to put this on the heat again for another 5 minutes. So now we'll put the heat on. So we can now start seasoning our soup. So put a little bit of salt. Pepper. So start tasting the soup. It's okay. And now we can add the cream. So now we can plate our soup. So you can always put some cream on top just to garnish it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed our video for today. So if you like to see more videos, so please don't forget to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.